Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class of biology, science class, biology part. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students of 8 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and fine today. Today we will discuss chapter 4. Chapter 4 is reproduction in plants. Here, this is the second lecture. This is also repeated lecture. Okay, also repeated lecture, but government selected in this chapter lesson 9 and 10. Okay, today's lesson is lesson 9 and 10. Lesson 9 and 10. First one, structure of seeds. Lesson 9 and 10. Structure of seeds and its germination. Okay, germination. Structure of seeds and its germination. Our topic is structure of seeds and its germination. Okay, this is a one kind of seed that is known gram seed. Okay, gram seed means chola. Okay, everyone knows or everyone, okay, this is germ seed. This is gram seed. Place a filter paper inside a bowl and soak it with water and then put 8 to 10 days. Wait 8 to 10 wait gram seeds. Okay, this is gram seeds. GRAM. 8 to 10 weight gram seeds on it. On it means on tissue paper. Okay, and keep it covered for 3 to 4 days. They will germinate. Okay, there is a small pore. Okay, here situated a small pore. You know what is pore? This is called micropyle. This is called micropyle. P-Y-L-E. P-Y-L-E. Micropyle. There is a small pore. There is a small pore called micropyle near the pointed part of the seed. Okay, and the portion name is hilum. This is hilum. Okay, and pore is known as micropyle. Near the pointed part, end part of the seed. Radicle comes out through it. Seed at this stage may be peeled off by স্লাইড প্রেসিং। যদি আমি এটাকে প্রেস করি, যদি আমি এই গাম সিডটাকে একটু চাপ দেই, তাহলে আমি এইরকম একটা দেখতে পাবো। এখান থেকে কি বের হবে? রেডিকেল আফটার। এরকম তুমি দেখতে পাবে যে দিস ইজ রেডিকেল। RADIECLE। রেডিকেল। দেন চাপ দিলে তুমি দেখতে পাবে যে দুটো সিড দুদিকে সরে গিয়েছে। ওকে, দিস ইজ নোন অ্যাজ কটিলিডন, মনোকটিলিডন, ডাইকটিলিডন। ওকে, কটিলিডন, the seed which have two part or two cotyledon, this is known as dicotyledon. Okay, and monocotyledon example is rice paddy. Okay, then here this type of structure you can found, and this is known as plumule. Okay, plumule, and this is cotyledon. Here one is one cotyledon and here is another cotyledon. So gram seeds is dicotyledon. Gram seed is dicotyledon. Okay, seed at this stage may be peeled off, slight placing of the fingertips. Peeled of seed is yellow in color. Here, this is yellow in color. Two cotyledon of the seed. Seed গুলো হচ্ছে তোমার yellow color. Will be open if further pressure is applied to it. At the junction of two cotyledon, here this is the junction of cotyledon, there is a white colored structure. This is white color and this is yellow color. Okay, this is white and this is yellow. Y লিখে রাখলাম, this is yellow color and white color. This white color structure known as embryonal axis. This is known as also embryonal axis. Okay, the area of embryonal axis which is attached to the cotyledons here is known as nodal zone. This is known as also nodal zone. The part of embryonal axis above the nodal zone is called epicotyle. So this part is also known as epicotyle. Okay, and the part below the nodal zone, this is nodal zone, and this is the below the nodal zone is known as hypocotyle. So this is epicotyle. Upper parts, upper parts of nodal zone is called epicotyle and lower part of nodal zone is also called hypocotyle. Okay, everybody clear? I think clear. Okay, hypocotyle. The upper axis of the embryonal axis is known as plumule, also plumule, known as plumule, while the lower end of embryonal axis is called radicle. This is called also radicle. Plumule, radicle, plumule and cotyledon are collectively known as embryo. This is full name is embryo. Here radicle, plumule and cotyledon. Okay, this is also known radicle, this is also known plumule, and this is known as cotyledon are collectively known as embryo. So the full figure is known as embryo. Okay, embryo and their outer covering is called seed coat. This is seed coat. Okay, this is known as seed coat. Okay, seed coat contains two layer. Okay, seed coat contains two layer such as outer layer. The outermost layer of seed coat is hard and thick. যেটা তুমি ওই যে ছোলার বাইরের যে কাভারটা খয়েরি কালারের, the outermost layer of seed coat is hard and thick and it is known as testa. Outer membrane known as testa and inner layer, the innermost thin layer of seed coat is known as tegmen. Okay, tegmen. Okay, so seed coat has two parts, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is known as testa, this is hard and thick, and inner layer is known as tegmen. Okay, I think you are clear. Then go to germination. Germination. Germination is the development of seedling from a seed is called germination. This portion is also called germination. Okay, the development of a seedling from a seed is called germination. Okay, in order to germinate, seed requires, seeder কি কি লাগবে, water, and air, okay, and oxygen. Warmth and air. Air means here oxygen. Water, warmth মানে heat বা তাপ, and air. Okay, this is the main part. In order to germinate, seed requires water, warmth and air. Water, warmth and air. The germination in which the epicotyle grows up rapidly. The germination in which the epicotyle grows up rapidly. As a result, the plumule comes out of the soil, leaving the cotyledons underground. Okay, this type of is known as hypogeal. First one, hypogeal germination. Hypogeal germination. So this germination is known as hypogeal germination. The germination in which the epicotyle grows up rapidly, and as a result the plumule comes out of the soil, leaving the cotyledons underground. Okay, মানে যে জার্মিনেশনে এই কটিলিডনসগুলো মাটির নিচে থেকে যাবে তাকে বলা হচ্ছে হাইপোজিয়াল জার্মিনেশন. ওকে, this type of germination take place in gram, paddy, mango. Example is gram, paddy and mango. Okay, textbook example is very important for you. Okay, so hypogeal germination, gram seed, paddy and mango. Sometimes plumule which cotyledons come out of the soil. Sometimes, okay, plumule with cotyledon. Plumule with cotyledon come out of the soil. This is called apigeal germination. Okay, this is called apigeal germination. Apigeal germination. Okay, apigeal germination, it is called apigeal germination. You can found tamarind, তেঁতুল, তারপরে হচ্ছে ক্যাস্টার, তারপর হচ্ছে পাম্পকিন, মিষ্টি কুমড়া. ওকে, এসব গাছে এটা দেখা যায়. shows this type of germination. Okay, here germination of gram seed. Germination of gram seed. You also know that germination of gram seed is hypogeal germination. Okay, so the figure is that this is the gram seed. After few days you can see this type of structure. After again few days, this type of and this type of, okay, here, and main root is developed. This is the portion of under the ground. Okay, ground, and this is the portion of upper layer. So germination of gram seed, here hypogeal, this is known as hypogeal. Okay, hypogeal germination. Okay, this is known as hypogeal germination. Here hypogeal germination takes place In this type of germination, plumule comes. Okay, here this is plumule. This is known as plumule. Plumules comes out of the soil, leaving the cotyledons. This is under the water, under the ground. Okay, cotyledons underground. Excess growth of epicotyle is responsible for this. Okay, gram is a non-endospermic dicot seed. Okay, here two cotyledons. So gram seed is dicotyledon, and the example is monocotyledon is your rice or paddy. Paddy is monocotyledon. Okay, you can see that paddy is monocotyledon, so it bears one cotyledon, and those seed that bears two cotyledon, that is known as dicotyledon seed. Okay, gram is a non-endosphoric dicot seed. After sowing, gram seeds and soil is supplied with required quantity of water, temperature and air. They germinate and come out of the soil in how many days? 3 to 4 days. Okay. Firstly, the seeds swell up by absorbing water, and radicle comes out through micropyle, and gradually it develops into taproot. Okay, here taproot. In second step, plumule come out of the soil. In this case of the two cotyledon remain under the soil. Here, two cotyledon remain. এটা কিন্তু তোমার মাটির নিচেই থেকে যাচ্ছে, টু কটিলিডন, under the soil. Okay, in this case the two cotyledons remains under the soil. Initially embryo gets nourished by the food stored in the cotyledons. This portion plumule get energy from the cotyledons. Okay, so this type is known as hypogeal germination. This is known as hypogeal germination. And in your textbook, here you can found another type of germination. This is like a pumpkin seed. Okay, after some days you can see the pumpkin seed is this like structure. Okay, this like structure, and after few days you can see this is two cotyledon, and here new leaf is grown up. Okay, two seeds out of soil, and here main root is present. You can see this is the portion of under the soil. This is known as epigeal. Okay, epigeal germination. This is known as epigeal germination, and you can found tamarind, pumpkin, okay, gourd, লাউ, কুমড়া, এগুলাতে তুমি এটা দেখতে পাবে। এখানে বীজপত্রটা, এই যে বীজপত্রটা কোথায় চলে আসলো? মাটির উপরে চলে আসলো। এটা তুমি দেখতে পাবে। So there are two types of germination, hypogeal and epigeal. And hypogeal is very very important because germination of gram seed germination is hypogeal germination. So this is very very important. So these are the lectures of today's here. This is very important for your next class. Please remember that two cotyledons, what is seed coat, what is testa, tegmen, and what is cotyledon. Another question is what is germination part, two types. Okay, germination essential elements, water, warmth and air, and two types of germination, hypogeal and epigeal germination also. So this is very important. See you later. আল্লাহ হাফেজ। যদি তোমাদের অ্যানাদার অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট বায়োলজির উপর হয় তাহলে তোমাদের জুম ক্লাসে বুঝিয়ে দিব, আর যদি তা না হয় তাহলে আরেকটা লেকচার পাবা, সেটা এরকম ভিডিওতেই পাবা। ওকে, সি ইউ লেটার, টিল দেন, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।